Eric, teka muna.
Ma'am, go
Eric,
ahead. Go ahead.
na ADHD ako. Meron kasing may lumalabas na rumors na si Claire Castro is having an affair with the DOJ spokesperson. 'Di ba? Kasi somebody
Ah,
messaged
yung
me.
bagong spokesperson,
Yeah.
si
Oo,
Martinez yata yon.
Paulo Martinez.
Oo,
So,
not
I just want
Paulo. Oo, not
Paulo.
Paulo. Paulo Martinez. Yes, ma'am, go ahead po. Go ahead
Oo,
po.
and ang yung blind items na lumalabas sa dyaryo, they're saying that the reason that pumatol si Paulo Martinez dito kay Auntie Claire is because he wants to be assistant secretary. No, so
Oh,
for me, yun yung reprehensible. Kasi I don't really care about other people's personal lives. I don't care. I mean, they're consenting adults. I don't care, di ba? But that
yeah.
you are using your position in government in exchange for sexual favors, that one is an issue with me.
Yeah.
Diba? So,
Very
because
similar, ma'am, sa ginawa nila Ila de Lima, di ba?
correct,
Ginamit
correct.
niya yung kanyang posisyon
Eric,
kaya sa hinabol ni Pangulong Duterte. Hindi dahil sila Ila de Lima siya. Hindi dahil inimbestigahan niya noon si Pangulong Duterte when she was with Commission on Human Rights, kundi ginamit niyang poder niya as DOJ Secretary to ask and manipulate sexual favors. Na inamin niya mismo on television na pumupunta siya nag-overnight halos sa bilibid.
yeah.
Ito yung punto ni Ma'am Lorraine. Wala kaming pakialam kay Claire Castro kung magiging malandi ang diskarte niya, problema niya yon. Pero yung gamitin niya, yung pagiging malandi
Eric,
niya, ang pagkabalahura niya para kumuha ng mga pabor at gamitin ito sa maniobra sa posisyon sa gobyerno, yan ay public interest issue. Go ahead, Ma'am Lorraine.
oo, delikado yon. Delikado yung ganun. So, ano pa pala ang
Pero
ini-exchange
pinatulan
niya?
talaga ha.
You know what? You know what? You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised how a lot of younger men like really older women. And it's usually the
Ah,
younger
really?
men. Yeah, yes. And it's usually the younger men are usually confident, yang ganyan, ano, matalino,
Ah,
etc.,
okay.
etc.
Okay, yung
But
bata to ma'am si ano eh, bata to si Martinez eh, kay
Paulo
Claire.
Martinez, and also this Paulo Martinez daw, according to the blind items, no, is niyayabang niya sa mga kaibigan niya na kaya niya
Oh,
pinatulan kasi gusto niya maging assistant secretary. Nagugulat naman ako kasi hindi ko gets what's the big deal about being an assistant secretary? Kasi nung
ma'am, malaki yan ha. Sapagkat pag nag-assistant secretary ka, you can exercise power. Direktahan na natin, ma'am. Nag-aarigluhan kasi dyan. A lot of lawyers know that. Kung may arigluhan sa korte, kagaya ng ginawa laban kay Pastor Kibuloy, mga maniobra sa korte, sa DOJ, ma'am, mayroon din ganyan. And if you're an assistant secretary, your price of arrangement sa mga ganyan will be higher.
You know what, Eric? Siguro that's my problem. That's my problem siguro. Parang I am kind of naive about these things, or maybe because I didn't see it with my father. I
Yes,
didn't
hindi
see it
ganun
with
si
my
Justice Badoy eh.
yeah. Also my husband. My husband is
Opo,
so
oo.
noble. Talaga so the man closest to me, I never saw it, 'di ba? So even PRRD lalo na. I mean, he himself admits that he likes beautiful women. I saw it, but
Mhm.
he would never appoint you just because he had a relationship with you. May mga
Agree,
chismis-chismis, no? Sila ni Mocha,
agree.
hindi naman totoo yun. O kami daw, hindi totoo yun, di ba? So,
Yun, paano yun ma'am, intriga na lang yun dahil you are performing well in the government, in the
thank you,
cabinet,
Eric.
and you deliver. Ay,
Thank
isa
you.
LCAC lang na gawain mo, ma'am. Sino makakagawa noon sa napakahirap na communications requirements to fight the
Tayo
propaganda
yun, Eric.
machinery
Ano
of the
ba? Hindi naman ako, no?
CPP, NDF.
Tayo yun.
Pero
Isang
ma'am,
team.
yeah, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, gusto ko tong punta ng sinasabi mo eh. Kasi kung makaasta ito
Yeah.
si Claire Castro, parang si Ontiveros at si Dilima na mga Mary Immaculate Conception ang datingan.
Yeah,
Immaculada
yeah, yeah.
Conception na
Yeah.
righteous, morally upright, na mga gender champion of
Yung
gender
pala,
equality. Mga tirador pa.
yung pala. At saka sa kanila, no, parang ang hilig nila magmalinis. Tapos kasi meron siya, nilabas siya na statement.
Yeah,
Naglabas
that's
siya
the
ng
word
statement.
magmalinis.
Yung,
Mahilig magmalinis.
yung statement niya yesterday, sinabi ni Amy Marcos daw na hindi pinalaki ng maayos, etc. And then she said, bakit? Sino ba? Sino ba? Ang presidente ay ikinasal, mga ganyan. Pagkatapos
Isa
siya ay
lang ang asawa.
faithful daw sa asawa. Sa
Really?
isip-isip ko, sa mga perverts na ito, ano ibig sabihin ng faithful? 'Di ba kapag ang asawa mo mismo is asking, her she gets off watching you and almost forcing you to have sex with a man, 'di ba?
Wow.
And watching, that's their perversion. In other words, what is Claire Castro talking about? Diba? Like,
Kaya nga,
the
ma'am, no?
whole world knows that these are drug addicts who are sex perverts that have
Yes.
sickened an entire nation with videos na talagang may proof na hindi nila sinasagot ng maayos, di ba?
Ah,
So, this is our issue with Claire Castro eh. No, ang kapal talaga ng muka, no, that you can be
correct.
talking about all of this. And ang the one that you hold up pa as an example is Bongbong Marcos and
Correct of
Lisa
all.
Marcos, these sex perverts who have sex orgies and swingers, and what the fuck is she talking about, 'di ba? 'Di ba,
At
so
noon pa,
parang
ma'am, yun ang kuha niya, di
yeah,
ba, ma'am? Yun ang record ni Marcos Jr. eh. Pag
yeah,
natipuhan ka sa panahon ng tatay niya ng diktadura, pipick upin ka sa disco house.
yes. Sa
At
ayaw at sa gusto mo.
pipilahan ka nila.
Yeah. Yes. Alam mo Eric, wag na lang natin pag-usapan muna 'yan ha. Pero totoo 'yon. Definitely totoo
Mm,
'yon. Kahit na lang dito lang tayo dito sa recent history na presidente siya.
yes.
Ano ba
Opo.
lumabas? Ang lumabas habang presidente siya, nasa US siya, nagbayad siya ng 40,000 na pop na call boy para
Call boy.
tsupa-tsupain niya. At ang asawa niya ang nag-ano, ang asawa niya ang nag-arrange. Tapos buti sana kung kwento lang. Dude, may
Tapos,
video.
habang daw ma'am nagbi-BJ daw siya, yung sabi, nakakotod to si Marlica, sinasabi daw ma'am doon sa recording, na nag-do-it-yourself din si Lisa.
Yeah.
Give me the toy, daddy. Tapos ang
Kaya nga,
example ni Claire Castro. Sa katinuan sa pagrerelasyon si Marcos.
kaya nga the bloody nerve of this Claire Castro, talagang she's in a parallel universe. What's she talking about? 'Di ba? Sino ba pinag-uusapan nito, si Bongbong Marcos at si Lisa Marcos, na mga sex perverts na,
Yeah,
'di ba? Chupa-chupaero na, oh my gosh, 'di ba? So, why is he talking about in virtue pa na ikinasal?
kinasal.
Ikinasal.
Isa lang
Faithful
ang
sa asawa.
asawa.
Diyos ko
Oo, hindi
Lord, 'di
naging
ba?
kabit, excuse me dapat ma'am hindi niya pinakialaman yun eh. Kasi ma'am, in fairness to Amy Marcos the commentary made by Senator Amy was not about the personal relation she has with Marcos Jr., but the way Marcos is handling the government affairs right now.
Yeah.
Dapat doon siya nagkomentaryo. Di po ba ma'am? Whatever is the
Yeah.
purpose of Amy about that, kung yan ay drama o totoo, bukal sa kalooban niya na pumuna sa kanyang kapatid, na hindi maayos ang kanyang kinalakihan at resulta nito ngayon ang problema ng bansa, the commentary of Claire Castro should focus on that. Pero I like your point, Mama, na nakialam pa siya sa personal na buhay ng magkapatid para lamang magpasipsip kay Marcos, sablay pa. Nakialam na, sablay pa. Eh si Marcos at si Lisa, ang pinaka hindi mo dapat i-example how to build a family relation.
Their children are addicts according to
Yes, correct.
Tapos on top of that, Claire Castro has to respond to these allegations, and she
Oh,
did
kumakalat
respond.
yan, ma'am.
Yeah,
Kumakalat yan.
she denied it. She denied it, but I
Oh,
was told that there are just
yeah.
evidence again. Oh my God, ayoko makita.
The evidence dyan, ma'am, lalo na kung ma-point ito sa pagiging assistant secretary position. Itong si Polo Martinez, ayun na yun ang ebidensya. Pangalawa, hindi tayo magugulat na may Dilima Part 2 story kay Claire Castro kasi mukhang yun nga mamang gusto niya eh. The way she acts dyan sa very unpresidential communications group na dala niya ay mukhang siyang sentro eh, hindi yung mensahe, ma'am eh. Kaya beauty siya sa sarili niya kapag may atensyon kagaya galing kay Attorney Polo Martinez na to ng DOJ, tingin ni Claire Castro maganda, matalino at beauty in the best yan.
Pero we've come to expect this level with
Apo.
this Marcos administration, 'di ba? Na
Tama.
wildly incompetent, wildly arrogant, wildly disrespectful of the law
Yes.
across the board. Like I'm tying it up with what Cora Guidote said. It's an
Tama yun.
entire government. I cannot think of one agency na tumitindig. But to be fair to the numerous public servants, thousands
Yes.
upon thousands, hundreds of
I agree.
thousands, there are plenty of them who continue to work for the country at hindi nila
Agree.
kasalanan na yung leaders nila ay mga sindikatong drug addict, magnanakaw. Kasi hindi
I
naman
agree.
sila nakikinabang din, di ba? They're just
Tama.
keeping the country together, di ba?
Tama.